What's up, y'all?
We're back in here.
Another Five reaction, man.
It's Minds of the Future.
And today, we got a nuke for y'all, man. We got a bomb dropping on the channel. A whole bomb dropping on the channel tonight for y'all. Why are you looking at yourself in the camera so much?
I'm trying to figure out why you got like this much space over there.
We got a bomb. We got Anouk with Birds. Live Eurovision.
It sounds like the Fallout coming.
Live
Siren Head gonna be walking around in a few minutes.
Eurovision 2013. Grand Final. That's what it says.
Someone forgot the E.
Finale.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got Anouk. Anouk. Okay, I get it. Okay, I know I said the name wrong. It's just funny. Okay. Let's get it.
I'm not even gonna say no.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, look at that butterfly.
Oh, look at that crowd.
Oh, that's lit, bro. How shows that butterfly?
Yeah.
It's Netherlands colors.
It is.
That's cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Isolated from the outside, clouds have taken all the light. I have no control. It seems my thoughts wander all of the time when I try to live life without you. Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. If being myself is what I do wrong, then I would rather not be right. Hopes turned into fear, and with my one wing I can't fly with sunrise. Embrace my dreams tight, and that's why birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride.
This song is really peaceful.
Yeah, it really is.
It's very peaceful. But, I mean, birds are peaceful.
It reminds me a lot of like, I guess kind of the message or flow behind it, the way it's produced and everything. It reminds me a lot of two different songs, and that would be Imagine by John Lennon, you know, because it's really peaceful in the background, and it's talking about the world. And then you got Louis Armstrong, What a Wonderful World.
What a wonderful.
What a wonderful world. Yeah. Don't intimidate me on my impressions. I know what I'm doing.
To a place without fear, with no moonlight. All I need are trees and flowers
They're the
and
choir.
some sunlight. Where memories are being made, and where the old one dies. Where love ain't lost. Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. Birds falling down the rooftops.
same. That's at the Eurovision where Dewey Bob done his performance.
That was a lot different considering like the last two songs we heard.
Yeah, they were more like heavier songs.
Especially the last one.
Well, Lost wasn't.
Well, Nobody's Wife though.
That one was.
That one was heavier.
That one was funny.
It was more like a punk rock song, kind of like Avril Lavigne. That's what it reminded me of a lot.
Yeah.
This one, it's like of course, she's a lot more mature because she's older and everything, but it's more peaceful and calm but she's one of them singers that she has a distinct voice. Like you know it's her when you hear her. She's got that. There's another singer that kind of has a voice like hers. That it's very distinct, and you can hear the little edges of her voice, which makes it unique.
Okay. Well, that was different. I think that was the Netherlands entry. Well, she's in the finals, so that was the Netherlands entry for that year. So, hey, Anouk, yeah, did good. I gotta keep saying that. It's just funny. They said they love when I pronounce the names wrong. I like it too.
Because they're probably like, you bunch of dumb Southerners.
Alright, so your little thing we jigger, and then let's get to the comments.
Which video are you taking it from?
The Nightwish Evolution,
Angels Fall First.
episode 5. Angels Fall First.
Alright, guys. So, before we get into these comments, you got any comments, recommendations, requests, go to the comment section below. Or go to that little link above Fathead there. Follow that. Personal accounts linked in the description. If you got any questions, anything you need to ask us, ask away. I've been having some conversations with y'all.
What? Conversations?
Some conversations with y'all and getting to know y'all real well. Y'all are pretty cool people, and you know how to blow my phone up. That's for sure. If you have a video, anything you want us to do, make sure that you send it there. We get that faster. We'll see it quicker, and you have a better chance of your video getting on here faster.
Oh, man. Fathead getting sleepy.
And make sure to stay tuned for all the premiere times and snippets of the videos that are to come. We're going to try to start getting them up for y'all's time. We're going to start getting them on there before 10 p.m. for y'all. We just got to find the right time. Today we didn't manage time worth of crap. So,
no, we didn't. We're filming this at 8:30, and I had to have this up by 12-hour time.
No. 1.
Well, I like to have it up by 12.
Oh, well, yeah.
So I'm about to get right to that, man. But we're going to read some of these comments.
Let's get these comments.
Dutch Eve says, kind of odd how the song just fades out. That was odd, because, like, that, the clarinet or whatever was playing, and then all of a sudden, like, it kind of just faded out with, like, the music still going the way it was.
Yeah.
And that was kind of weird to me, too. I was thinking that while I was reacting to it.
Well, it didn't really bother me, though, because I've heard all kinds of songs that fade out like that, so it don't really bother me.
Ed Nilo, yeah, I definitely love Guns N' Roses. Dutch people also know this band very well. In our top 2000, we have this list here. There are at least 2 of their songs in the top 100 of this list.
Guns N' Roses, look, I don't care what anyone says. I know there's a lot of people that don't like Guns N' Roses just because of Axl. Look, I do not base Guns N' Roses music off of Axl. The band was amazing. All their albums except for the one that was a throwaway in the 2000s, which was just Axl's project himself, are amazing albums. There's nothing wrong with any of them. So it's cool that y'all like Guns N' Roses and that y'all familiar with them. So that's really cool.
Quizip Wish? I don't know. Don't kill me. This is one of my favorite songs from the old Nightwish. Yes, that was our favorite song from the old Nightwish as well.
From this first album, that's been our favorite so far. I really love that. Especially the guitar. Oh.
Just had a floorgasm. Great reaction. Shout out to you. Thank you. You've been with the channel, I think, since our first Nightwish reaction.
Just about it. I'm pretty sure.
Score. I'm pretty sure. So, shout out to you.
I'm pretty sure they were one of the first ones that say, "Hey, do it live."
Yeah.
And like, you were right.
Blew us up. So thank you.
We appreciate all that.
Alright, y'all, man. That's going to be all the comments for today, man. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff.
And click the bell.
And y'all know what we do with the crew.
LTF gang.
We'll see you next video, man.
Peace.